Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our moral science class. So, let us begin our new session. Before starting our lesson, let me introduce about the syllabus of the first term exam. There will be 3 chapters and 2 activities in the first term exam. That is placed on the screen. Now, open the page number 5 of your book. Dear students, this is unit number 1 from your book. And the title of the unit is The Power of Prayer. Yes, the power of prayer. Prayer is a loving conversation between God and man. In a conversation, we listen to what the other person says and reply accordingly. The same thing is done in prayer also. We speak with God and listen to His voice. God speaks to us through our consciousness. Dear students, let me ask you one question. Yes. What is prayer? Yes. Prayer is a loving communication between God and man. When you kneel before God, He stands up for you. And when He stands up for you, no one can stand against you. Prayer is a relationship with God. God said, don't look around because you will be impressed. Don't look down. You will be depressed. Just look to me and you will be blessed. A relationship with God is the most important relationship you can have. Trust in Him and everything will always turn out fine. Always remember God in our sorrows and in happiness. When life knocks you down, get up and turn back to God. When life puts you in higher position, kneel down and turn back to God. Yes, dear students, life can be full of unexpected things, either happy or sad. No matter what things may happen, always keep a loving heart, a wise mind, and a strong faith in God, who will always stay with us through all the journey of our life. We can see in the textbook factors of prayer through 4 small stories. You see the picture? First picture says, once all villagers decided to pray for rain. On the day of prayer, all the people gathered, but only one boy came with an umbrella. That is called faith. Second story says, when you throw a baby in the air, she laughs because she knows you will catch her. That is trust. Third story says, every night we go to bed. without any assurance of being alive the next morning. Still, we set the alarms to wake up. That is hope. We will see the last story. We plan big things for future in spite of zero knowledge of what would happen. That is confidence. Thank you. Have a